How to fix Play Store parental control on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the parental control problem easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, and then on this page you will find all the apps. Click on apps right here, and then click on apps again, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Now all what you have to do is click here and search for Google Play. Click on it, and now click on data usage and make sure to enable all those options, and go back, click on storage and click on clear cache, and then clear data. After that, click on force stop, and now restart your phone and the Play Store must be working good for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.